went last night, so we got back at like 1 a.m. na. It's so unlike us, but of course my body clock still woke me up at 7 a.m. Actually before 7 a.m. Probably 6ish. So we're running on low energy, extra low energy because I haven't eaten my breakfast yet. I can't take my breakfast because I'm off to take my glucose test. I'm sure all the moms out there know what this is, but for those of you who haven't experienced it, it's basically like it will test your sugar levels, because when you're expecting, sometimes your sugar levels just suddenly go up. Gestational diabetes is not uncommon. My aunt who owns the lab actually told me that she doesn't really need me to fast. I could take a few bites here and there still, like few lang, because I am pregnant. She doesn't want me to completely fast. But I'm trying my best so that the results are really accurate. So I haven't eaten anything. I've just taken a sip of water. And yeah, so we're doing that. But you might be wondering why I'm wearing this. Like, why am I all dressed up to go to a laboratory? I have a birthday lunch for my, how do you call it? In Chinese, it's called Ai. So she's like the older sister of my mom, which is why I'm in red. And then I'm heading straight to an event with Valextra, and it's happening right after the birthday lunch. So I'm extra dressed for the laboratory and for my Ai's birthday lunch. Namukha tuloy akong birthday celebrant. But everything kasi in my schedule today is way up in the north, and I won't make it in time if I come back home. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my makeup also in the lab in my aunt's office, because I have to wait there for an hour. So you basically have to take this really like sweet drink, and then after that you have to wait for an hour before they can draw blood. So while I'm waiting there, I'm gonna do my makeup. Already at my aunt's lab. It's called Medic's Laboratory. It's by here at N Domingo, so it's really not around my hood, but I come here for the comfort and the service. This is my aunt.
Sino ba yan?
My vlog. So first we gotta extract, and then after that I'm gonna drink this yummy drink. It's flavored this time. Before they had a special concoction for me, and that's why I never felt it was icky or not delicious. Like people always say it's not delicious. For me, I was like, it was so good. It was because they had a special concoction, and now they have a even better one also na ready-made na mix. My aunt says it's really good, so I'm looking forward to it. Not looking forward to the injection. Pwede ko na inumin to. Yan na, the highlight of my day. Nagkakutub na ako, guys. And now we wait for an hour. Okay, time for my second extraction. Apparently, I have to do another one after an hour. So for the second one, because we have to go to the birthday lunch already, my aunt is gonna do it at the restaurant. So we're now at the party. It's a surprise party, so we're waiting for the celebrant. And I'm having my last shot here. And then I can finally eat. You help me, Chris. We're done. See? Don't be. Yeah. We say surprise. Happy birthday. To our next shindig. We just came from my aunt's birthday lunch. I didn't show much because, you know, I wanted to protect everyone's privacy. Now, Sienna is off to her ballet class, and Yoni is bringing me to my event with Valextra. If you guys are not familiar with Valextra, it's actually an Italian luxury brand. Their designs are very quiet luxury. You really see impeccable details in the handbag. And this is actually their signature Iside bag. You'll see like the shape is like a pyramid, and then it has a top handle with a signature lacquered edge here, the black lacquered edge, and it also comes with a longer strap that I did not bring because I wanted it to be dressier. So it's a really nice bag because I feel like it's so versatile. You can take it with you as a casual bag, but also for dressier events. The brand is very simple and elegant, but you know that the quality is really there. I've actually followed the brand for quite some time now, so I'm really happy that it's about to launch here in the Philippines. It's been available, but they haven't really done like a proper launch. They're available through Adora, and they have a bunch of the Iside designs there, and also a lot of the other stuff that I'll be showing you later. But yeah, happy to be working with another brand that I really love. Trick track. I actually comes with a longer strap, so I think this is also perfect for men. And if you look here inside, it's a very structured bag because it already comes with a structure. And I think it's really cute. So they said that the fall colors are coming soon, so make sure to check it out. So this was the one I was mentioning in the car. It's called their Costa Edging. So it's their like lacquered black edging, which is very different from all the other luxury bags. Actually, all of these bags are handmade. So I just found out that these are actually hand painted. So you'll kind of see like there's a bit of difference from each and every bag because these are all handmade, which I love because nothing says luxury more than handmade. Look at how cute! So you'll see here inside, there's like a serial number. So that's actually the code that's connected to the artisan that made your bag. So they can easily trace who the artisan is behind your bag, which is such a nice story because it humanizes the bag, I feel. And then if you look at this one, if you look closely, there's lots of like little dots type of texture. It's because it kind of mimics like 1,000 dots. So that's why it's called the Mille Punte calf leather. These are just so nice to know about. The nerd in me is so happy. Also be long. Cute. I feel like this is something that men can wear too, especially when you travel alone. It's so convenient. It's got a magnetic clasp, nice compartments. It's really nice. Super chic. Yung ganda ng detail niya. It's not a print pala, it's a stitch. Oh my gosh, this is a cut-out leather. I thought it was a stitch. Look, leather cut-out siya. Oh, it's so nice. So intricate. Off to visit our bestie. I'm no longer in heights. Back to casual wear. Comfort. Very mindful. Very demure. My husband, who's very old, does not get the trend. Like I keep telling him, it's such a funny trend. It's such a funny trend. And he just gave me this face. Like he did not get it. Sorry, you're old. I asked her, is it okay if I show you in camera? Nandiyan naman siya, ayaw umalis. Do you have Indomie? Can Yoni cook it for me?
You know how?
Yoni knows how. Where's the Indomie? I'll get it. 2 orders of Indomie with sunny side up, please. Chef Yoni.
Coming right up.
Chef is still busy, so we're trying to do it ourselves. We have been well fed. We've eaten merienda, dinner at Lao House. You have to change the name now that it's Lao and Ladies.
Oh my, that's why I just call it our house. I haven't thought of
Their
any name yet.
house. And now where are we off to?
We are off to
Hey! Hats Party. It's her birthday party today. To chill, get together, just to celebrate her birthday. Mommy and Daddy are currently struggling. How are we doing?
Still alive.
Still alive, still alive. This is really way past our bedtime. Yesterday, we came home, I told you guys, right, at 1 a.m. and we still woke up at our normal parent time zone. So we are currently suffering. But for friendship, we are powering through it. Happy birthday! Thank you.
Kanina kasi hindi pa ako nakaayos, so babawi lang ako. Hi guys! Ako na to, nakaayos na. Happy birthday, Pat! Thank you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! 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 Good morning. This is me straight out of bed. Took a shower last night and did not brush my hair. Oh, I feel so tired. Are you trying to say something, my love? What? What's wrong with your lips? This package has arrived and
Open it now.
why?
It is for consumption.
Doesn't naman expire right away.
Might. Do you know the dates?
So I just bought this from Shopee and it's basically a textile stamp because I am feeling all like school mom mode now that Sienna's at the big school. And so basically there's a bunch of like textile stamps there, but this is the one I like more because even though it's more expensive, I feel like it's more useful because it already comes with all these different letters. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but basically all the different letters, there are some characters as well, like some shapes like stars, there's a heart and everything. And so you can customize it yourself because the other stamps that I just found on Shopee, parang you you have to send a message to the stores, and then they have to put the text that you want on the stamp. So basically, you can only use it for that. I mean, if I want to change the label, then I'd have to buy an entirely new stamp. At least with this one, we can customize it ourselves. We can keep changing. I don't have to keep ordering new stamp. Also came with this little tweezer so that we can easily pick the letter or character and just place it here. Also came with this tag, so for like darker colors, or if you're putting it on like a white cloth and the white cloth is too thin and it might like go through, then you use this instead, and then you just have to iron it on and it sticks on the clothing. So I've been labeling Sienna's school uniform because the school asked us to label para lang hindi magka-palit-palit with the kids. And we have their, I don't know if you see it, but we have their coral with a heart so that her little sister can also use it when it's her time to use these uniforms, and it's too small for Sienna Bugna. So yeah, I've been having fun with this thing. Very useful. You want the stamp ba? Coral stamp. She's a coral. We got a bunch of stuff from Little Bean as well. Sienna is so happy because show my love. So Sienna's borrowing it from baby. A caterpillar. It's so cute. Oh, it plays songs. So while we're busy trying to figure that out, I'm gonna show you all the stuff they sent. I thought we wouldn't get any new clothes for baby number 2, but we have some here from Little Bean. I thought it would just be all kupas hand-me-downs. Also got this zip-up onesies, which I love. This is my favorite kind. It's the easiest. Some more. They sent so much. You wanna help mommy?
If you check my story, not a question video, I'm also vlogging mama. And now this is how you do baby too. We are vlogging together.
We are vlogging together.
Yeah.
Here. What color is this?
Pink, baby's favorite.
Baby's favorite also, you think?
Yeah. This is mine.
The pouches. She loves collecting all these pouches and cards. Sometimes she even keeps the tags as well. Okay, my love. Thank you for helping mommy unbox. My husband is very, very weird. He's been walking around the house looking at his phone because he lost his Aura ring. He doesn't know where it is. He thought he left it at a restaurant, but then it pinged that it's here in the house. So he's just going around with his phone trying to track it. It's been a few days that he's doing this. Update, update! We finally figured out how to make the caterpillar play. Like this pala! So I just finished my workout. So I usually do Pilates twice or thrice in a week, and that's my only workout. I'm entering my 3rd trimester, so I'm gonna start doing short walks maybe with Sienna during the afternoons. So that's how I try to keep active during this pregnancy. And I don't know if I've mentioned this. Honestly, kung paulit-ulit ako sa vlog ko, please forgive me because I don't know what I've already mentioned and what I haven't because my preggy brain is preggy braining. So I think with this pregnancy, I feel certain pregnancy effects on my body that came later during my first pregnancy with Sienna. I felt them earlier this time around, so I don't know if it's just my body because it's my 2nd pregnancy or if it's because of age. But it really helps me whenever I do Pilates because I started feeling like the butt pain. If you've been pregnant before or you're pregnant, you know what I'm saying, like the butt pain here. That's what makes it hard for you to go from a sitting position to standing up or lying down to a sitting position. So I started feeling that earlier, like a butt, hip, groin area. Yoni says it's the loosening up of your pelvic area. That's what he calls it according to his research. So yeah, I started feeling that earlier. I still feel it, but I feel like Pilates relieves the pain and allows me to move faster and be more active. So yeah, that's why I really cannot live without Pilates. Pre-pregnancy, post-pregnancy, during pregnancy, I just need Pilates in my life. So thank you so much, One Life Studio, for always making sure that you guys are with me, whatever phase of my life I'm in. Now let's go cook a really simple lunch for me and Sienna. We haven't had it cooked for a few weeks now, so we're looking for a new cook. And that is why mommy is back on cooking duties. Let's go! Oh. For today, we are cooking fish. This is my favorite way of cooking fish, just with lemon, garlic, and salt and pepper. It's a really, really fresh way of cooking it. How was school, my love?
Good.
Good.
I know a friend na Murphy. I know a dance. Stop. I am.
I am! Put and some lip balm so I look like a person already. Person with color, that is. Anyway, I've been putting this off for so long. I want to be really transparent. This is the current mess that is my walk-in closet island. Actually, my closets are also so full now. I need to do a closet clean out still. Also plan to remove a lot of shoes and bags. And I don't like how it's currently organized. Like, it's really bugging me. And look at my makeup table. I haven't been able to put a lot of the PR stuff. I have so many acrylic cases, but I haven't fixed them. And even here, they're all like a mess. And that is why I have so much of my vases here, like my extra vases that I didn't display yet. I have so much of them here still because I plan to still make this all pretty. So maybe today is the day. Or maybe I'll start. So I plan to just put a bunch of them in these boxes so that I can just put all of my makeup here and I'm just gonna donate them. Donate all of them. Some of them will be like barely used or unused at all. Like they're probably just swatched. I'll probably announce it on my Instagram page where you guys can get a hold of these stuff. I'm not gonna be able to finish this for sure today, but I think it's important to start.
I want to help you vlog.
You want to help me vlog? Okay, my love. It's hard to decide.
This one, Pa. You need this.
Mommy likes that.
I want to help Mommy so Mommy gets happy.
So mommy gets happy. This is one of my most favorite palettes. So we're keeping this. Maybe we'll keep this because I'm very partial to pinks. This one, let's give away. This one also, like, di ko pa siya nagamit oh. But I probably wouldn't use it, so I shouldn't keep it.
War and Jackson. Wow.
A bunch of my liquid eyeshadows are already broken. So Sienna's helping me to check. They're broken and dried up, so she has to throw them. Thanks for helping mommy, my love. Ay, broken also.
Let's see this one. Kawawa naman.
Kawawa naman. Yoni is finally home and I was able to finally convince Sienna to go to Yoni so that I can actually start doing this faster. Oh my gosh, so hard to decide which ones to keep and which ones not to keep. But I think I'm doing a good job. Ta-da! So this is what we have right now, all organized beautifully. Hopefully we can maintain this. Got all my acrylics out, so these are only the palettes that I retained. This is just eyeshadow pa lang. And then I got a bunch here, like a lot of these I haven't even used yet. Like for example, from Clé de Peau, completely unused. I also have here something from Chanel and Tom Ford. Completely unused. Decided to just give them away. Like, I just keep them because I always think, ay sayang, it's branded and whatever, but I don't use them. I always reach out for the same colors and that's why I end up not using them. Ta-da! Inklet palette. So plenty. I also included a lot of the eye crayons. We shall continue. Now this is the drawer that I'm dreading because these are all lippies. I have so many lippies. Do I do them now or tomorrow na? But first, I must cook again. I know that you guys just saw me cooking a while ago, but a lot has happened in between that I wasn't able to vlog. I was doing some work, playtime with Sienna Bob. Okay, let's do this. Let's start off with this Chanel. I love Chanel magnetic cases. They're so nice. But I have so many of the same colors because they send me the same colors every time. Okay, full transparency, I wasn't able to continue the organizing after dinner because I'm me and I'm Bregs and I couldn't continue. I was just too tired. And so now we're continuing the lippies, the one that I'm dreading the most. I've gone through so many wipes already. So I have sort of a system. This is like nude, peachy ones. These are like pinks and these are like reds. A lot of things that I get really excited about. Oh my gosh, I have this pala. And then after the excitement and then I'm doing my makeup, I'll forget them again because I just keep picking out the same things over and over again. You guys know I am a your lips but better kind of girl. That's why I have so much of the pinks. I wish someone can just come in here and check out all my lipsticks and say that, okay, these two are exactly the same shades, get rid of this. Because whenever I see lipsticks that look the same, I just don't trust myself because I still think that, oh, maybe I'm just looking at it through amateur eyes like mine. They're actually not the same. Anyway. Almost said I didn't like this, but then when I looked at the shade, I'm like, yeah, this is one of my favorites. NARS American Woman. So we keep you. Photo break. Ta-da! I thought it would never end. It's already 9 p.m. and I finally finished it. So this entire thing are like my pink lippies plus these. These are like mga tall ones. These are reds. These are the nudes and corals. Lip glosses, lip oils and lip balms, lip liners. Oh my gosh. I finally did it. Woo! Got 2 more drawers to go and a bunch of stuff here still. But you know what? Look at all these makeup stuff that I took out. These are the ones that I'm gonna be donating to you guys. Sub day. I'm gonna add the blush-ons and foundations as well here. And this other box will be some skincare stuff that I'll also give away to you guys. But anyway, I've had it. My back is in so much pain. My belly has been active. I really have to go to sleep. Good night, everyone. The organizing shall continue off camera in the next few days.